This is a 3D printer, and we make 3D objects and make it like a plastic. So we have this card, we draw the design, then we put it in the computer. Then we put this here, it makes the object, the design that you want. Any design you can make, there's more 3D printers that you can get.
This 3D printer printed some buildings. It took like almost 18 hours to build, and it really needs some film from here. There is film, and you can create anything from houses, like here, to buildings. You can choose any color you want.